Okay, so here we are down the flying field on a beautiful day. It's spring, it has actually arrived after a long winter, and demonstrating here the HobbyKing Bixler, which would be a fantastic model if you want to learn to fly radio control flying. Reasons, well, it's simple, has a throttle, elevator, ailerons and a rudder. And the other great thing is that the motor, the propeller, is pushing the model. So if you were to go nose in, first thing is that this being made from foam, it would be really easy to repair. And the other thing is, with the motor not being traditionally up the front, you're not going to damage the propeller, the motor or anything else. So it's a very resilient model. So anyway, I put some smokes on it from robotbirds.com just for a bit of fun, and we're going to fly and see how it goes. There you go, HobbyKing Bixler, fantastic. And I really like the smokes actually from robotbirds.com against the, not a perfect sky today, but they did show up not too bad. I'd even try the larger flares on the maybe next weekend. So thanks for watching this one. That was a lot of fun. Highly recommended, the HobbyKing Bixler. The link is in the video description. I think you'll be surprised by the price. So thanks for watching this one. See you next time.